There's a lot of things you can't learn in school, and sometimes you just got to get in there and get your hands on them to really have a complete understanding and an appreciation for it. And I feel like I've learned that in my time here. Working at Beta is awesome. They told me on my first day over a year ago, there's low walls here, and I didn't really know what that meant at the time, but I quickly learned.
As a transmission engineering intern, I've been working on updating the design guides.
Power the world, really, is what we do as a company.
There's a lot that goes into it, a lot of time, a lot of man hours, a lot of money. People take it serious.
I was working on something that kept lights on people's homes. I had a vague idea of what a substation was before Beta, thinking it was the huge square thing of metal on the side of the road.
I didn't know they could take a couple years to build. We're talking some of them 345,000 volts.
It's certainly daunting at first. However, the things that I've learned or had the most challenges from, I've also seen the most growth.
It was very eye-opening how important it was what I'm helping with for the projects, because it's going on to a project that lasts years.
What I'm doing now is actually what I'm going to be learning in the fall.
Before I started this internship, I felt very nervous about my abilities as an engineer and felt that I needed to know everything.
You know, you're not going to learn everything you're going to need to in college.
Beta very much values the growth of their interns and encouraging them to learn more. They know how much we have to grow, and that substation isn't necessarily something that's taught in school. They encourage us to learn more about it and want to know, rather than just knowing everything in the beginning.
My favorite project that I've worked on is a 138 to 34.5 kV substation in Texas.
I got to visit a substation we were building for a solar farm.
That was really exciting to work with something real.
From sitting in the office for a few weeks and looking at drawings and stuff and not really knowing what all these components were, and going and getting to see it in person and putting your eyes on the actual equipment was really cool.
It's amazing, it's eye-opening really. It's great to see what we can do as a team.
It feels awesome to be trusted as an intern.
I've grown to be more confident in what I am capable of, and I feel like that applies a lot to just Beta's internship.
We're the future of not just this company. Being here and learning from the group of people that work here right now, they're so knowledgeable and so experienced and well-versed. It's definitely going to help us in the future.